Hey, into Kwame Nkrumah Ghana no mudi jai na nunie. 6th of March 1957, Ghana flooding and a queen in 2026. At this point, I am really afraid to inform you say flood na ekoso Ghana ne Accra no afi na ebe ye worse because one statement a Ghana met dey about bontia anka uyembe show. Me huna obia aha Ekimoni Studios sound subscribe ya make sure so be subscribe ya my and then me nche bebre yen kon komoni. Let's get straight into the conversation. Over the weekend, obia we Ghana bia nim say ye na ye ho so ntoye because inso ejiri afo ye japade. Rainwaters are carrying people's homes away and washing away properties just like Jesus Christ came to wash away our sins. And you might hire. Let's quickly, let me take you through a statement that Ghana Meteorological Agency deba Ghana Meteorological GMET for short. Let me want to me. GMET edeba bontia omo pinpointing specific places in Ghana. I think in so be topa. And to you baby to say ho Koforidia Nkoko Adesu Abri Accra Kaswa Tema any impate mudia. I said you need to be really careful and extra cautious during this rainy season because statement no media about bontini said these places no in so be topa and yes, I call baby to say asin fosu chufu praso wase kropon new edubiase takwa kumase oboase ni surroundings ni so a nso no beto pam enye no kwa omo offense ho when you go to places like Winneba, Cape Coast, South Pond, Jukwa, Seribekwa and its surroundings as well as Azim. Now let's look at the extent of devastation this rain or floods has caused on our various routes. Look at how the road is looking now. And you will come and blame the government. You will come and blame the government for this act. And these things are happening because of indiscipline on the part of your citizens. No. They can't ask Mamonka. Go Accra. Accra, no, what is there? I don't understand. What is in Accra? Because clearly, a whole population ni be now. Ghana population na a lot of it. Accra. Why? What is wrong in Accra? What is going on? Obia sorry akosha Accra. Ufi se he ukoye den Accra ho. Mo ye den ho. Some of them are not even doing anything good though. They are just there. You're on streets, you are hustling. What are you doing there? Obia Murphy. And this is something that I want to say. I also abandoned the nice form. The government needs to put all these strategic measures in place. Well, we see that all railway mubia. What's the bugu? The government should just demolish all of these things. Oku sit down in swim and you are expecting say in Swota you are going to be free. And who does that? Who does that? When also you two government need to obia free up those places because yes idea is going to continue and be like that for a long period of time. Na me yeka de ba kwa chi me pa e video ba kwa me hu ye. Wo de hwe video no.
Your work dance for. Today free, every block will enter free. Every block will enter free.
And to there before I be video now query no mame nchemu nchrewo. This is where night workers I be can say ashawo man ashawo for baby I want there be do you still use that term? Baby I want no and then so for mu na go for mu tiasie. Omo tiasie so that be form and so ni call form kakra bi na omo san ko. Na me enemy him say Ghana high never be see na enye serious one but this one we say upon all this flood no amare ye ginemu won ton wache.
Can you imagine? Instead of you to share the watch, you are selling it. Just one for.
And come to think of it, yeni abra pay solutions to all these problems, Obi agye a all green say, nti sisi a baby a flood bank bia flood ye ho so yebetimi anye sika free hono.
Good morning. My name is Nashika. How may I assist you?
Nashika, good morning. Please, Nashika, is your CBG, is it flooded?
Is CBG flooded?
Yeah, like the whole Accra is flooded. So I thought CBG is flooded. Is CBG flooded?
May I know which of the branches you like to visit?
Any branch, like CBG, you are not paying salary. So I thought the flood has affected the salary. I don't know.
May I know which institution?
No, like if the flood hasn't affect the salary, just pay the salary, okay.
Well noted. Aside that, is there any other thing you may need assistance with?
No, salary is all I need at the moment. Thank you very much, Nashika.
You're welcome.
And to some extent, I na photo because I come there. Me say, look at this video. After saying so ni yiri ya for bia ba safe place Ana senior ma de ne camera timi ni twa nso ni bae. Na obedu wona komo bingo. Na ura no kra onya bi ni na obedi. Nti bingo ni option bia so be grass. Wo hu camera o we grass da. Green grass je na nka aponchi ne twie. I'm not moving green grass. Now, so and they come there, deep bingo, every green grass. Fast forward, one of the best things I've seen about this whole flooding situation is the fact that the government is putting in measures, making sure, say, share the extent of devastation, now finding solutions to it. Because and then President Mahama went on aerial inspection over various places that are flooding, and which means that the man is very sad. Now video ba kwa me hu ya no so chi makoma ma me re ho ye pa was a young guy odini sika kwa she poultry farm mu na nkoko ni na ewu because
nadmofo mo ye na mo mre na nkoko ni na ewu nadmofo ba ko pe no survive you gina ho no pe on survive ye on pe no survive ye mo ye na mo mra me mo wati nkoko ni na ewu.
a young guy who has gone into entrepreneurship munye juma o abomodin nya sika kaka okokwa bisia de asoso due to the negligence and indiscipline of some citizens intino ni kokoni na. Look at this. Are we serious in this country? At this point, Charlie, so if where you are is very safe, just be there. If it is not safe, make sure you find a safer place to be. Because rescue team nangaza umbe rescue no. They need to be rescued. This is a video of a rescue team member in Sweden Fanako. Your rescue team needs a rescue team. So there are a lot of things coming in and updates are make sure you subscribe to the channel for updates, back to back updates. For now, we are out.